Hi everyone. Today we have a best model WCN1 306SS. And I'm going to do a short little video clip on how to remove the switch assembly, how to remove the lights, and show you where the electronic board is in this hood. The first thing you must do is remember, always wear your safety gear. And always make sure the power is turned off. We're going to start here by dropping this plate. There's going to be a screw right here and right here and a screw right here and a screw right there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drop those screws, and I'm just going to put the camera down and start removing these screws here. Once you drop that plate, everything's accessible. The lights are actually accessible now. You can actually reach in and get those lights out, but I'll show you what everything looks like so you got a better understanding. And looks like I got the last screw there. Alright, so that plate basically drops out of there. You can unplug this motor. It's a quick connect. And actually you can unplug it, or as well you can get in there. What I'm going to do here is, this is the circuit board. Again, you can get at the circuit board. The lights on this unit is basically a quick connect. Basically you can squeeze on the clips. This is a quick connector. It just squeeze it and it'll come apart. So now you got the board, you got access to the lights. And for the switch assembly, you're just going to remove the two screws here, one on the left and the one on the right. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to set the camera down. You can tell the switch is starting to fall into the inside of the hood. And there you have it. Here's the switch assembly. It's all out. There's a quick connect on it. You can take the screw out on the right and left hand side. This bracket lifts off and that switch assembly just drops out of there. Very basic hood. I'm going to show you too, since I'm doing the video. The blower is as easy to remove. There are 4 screws. There's 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. And when this is mounted, this is a chimney hood, so the flues go up to the ceiling. There'll be 4 screws, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and that whole blower assembly will come down. I hope this helps. Thanks.